All right, hi, this is Dave Dunsavage for Dr. Strickland's 586 research class. This is reflection number 3. For first question, what have I learned about research this week? The one thing I learned is that research is a very long, tedious process. Trying to find all this research, having to read through all of it, see if it actually fits what you need to fit, see if it actually is what you're looking for or what you think it's supposed to be. It could be more than a bit overwhelming. Just the time involved in reading all these articles, it just takes a tremendous amount. So the main thing this week that I learned about research was just how much time it takes. The other thing I learned about research is it hasn't been since high school that I sort of have been in a situation where I was learning about something that I understood it in class, and then when I got home was having difficulty with it. It seems to make sense when we're discussing it and we're talking about it, but for the most part, I'm just really confused about what we need to do. For problems encountered, I think my big problem right now is trying to figure out if I need to trim down what I'm looking for, if I need to beef it up. I'm sort of confused on, for the lit review, a lit review you could have hundreds of things, or very few. How much do I trim it down? How much do I expand it? My topic being father absence and I think that's part of the problem is that I haven't narrowed that down. It's more father absence and male students and how it affects them. Maybe I need to look just at achievement or just at how it affects them personally. But as I'm looking at different parts, I'm finding some of that, but not all of that. But then there's too much of it. So the trim down is what I'm really sort of having difficulty with, and the process is still sort of confusing to me. I know that may not sound like it makes a whole lot of sense, but I feel like what we're hearing and learning is like the wide view of it right now, and I just kind of want to know, you do this, then you do this. So step 1 is this, step 2 is this, step 3 is this, step 4 is this. I'm very big on working strategically like that, and I think that's what's hurting me is I sort of am like, what do I do? And I don't know if it's that I need a roadmap just written out for me, and maybe that's just where I'm in a deficit or deficient. I don't know, but that's where I'm standing right now. As far as successes this week, I found a lot of stuff. The time to read through it all and really figure out, is this right? Is this what I need it to be? Is this what I'm looking for? That's where the difficulty is coming in with that. But I found more than I thought, and I've actually found that I feel fairly confident navigating around, whether it's Google Scholar or using PsycInfo or just the databases in general on the PSU library site. I feel more confident knowing where I need to look for stuff, how to use the searches, the advanced searches, the wordings I need to use, the terminologies. I feel good about that, and that's helped me to find as many of the things that I found this week. What have I learned about myself with research? I really don't care for it, and I think part of that is the lack of confidence I have right now, which is directly attributed to the lack of competence I have right now. I don't really feel confident in what I'm doing and knowing what I need to do and what's next and so forth. And I also don't feel competent, like I don't feel like I really know what I'm doing when I am doing it. I feel like I'm just sort of taking stabs in the dark, and hopefully I hit something and makes it stick. But hopefully that improves. There are areas I'm feeling better about, but for the most part, I'm just learning that I really don't care for it because I don't feel good about it. And I guess the only other thing I would say, what I've really learned is that I'm an amateur. I know we talk about research being something that everyone needs to be able to do, but I just feel completely, I don't know how to say it, overwhelmed, yeah, I guess that's just the best way to put it. For the final part, what am I foreseeing that I need to do next? The big part next, right now on the schedule, is to get the annotated bibliography done. Hopefully I get that done. Hopefully I'm understanding exactly what I need to be doing for that, and then I gotta be looking at the lit review towards the end. Yeah, just hoping I have the right stuff, and just checking and rechecking and trying to find more. And yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Again, this is Dave Dunsavage, reflection number 3 or 4, 3, I believe, for Dr. Strickland's EDUC 586 class. Thank you.